You know it. You know it. You know.
Welcome to my channel, Be Like Christ, and I use the animal-based meat and food to settle all of my autoimmune conditions. Today we are sharing the top 10 quick and easy animal-based snacks that combine meat and fruit. Perfect for busy days. So these snacks are not only delicious but also nutritious. So let's dive in. Number one would be the Carnivore Crisps. First up, we have Carnivore Crisps. These are crunchy, shelf-stable snacks that are made from various meats like beef and lamb. They're perfect for on-the-go munching and pair wonderfully with apple slices for a sweet, savory treat. Just grab the bag and go, and you're ready to snack. Number two, the Carnivore Bar. Next is the Carnivore Bar. This nutrient-dense snack is made from dehydrated beef. It comes in flavors like beef with tallow and sea salt. It's a great option when you need something quick, and it pairs well with fresh berries for added sweetness. Number three would be beef jerky. It's not high protein and is perfect for snacking anytime. Look for its versions without added sugars or preservatives and pair with dried fruits like apricots or figs for a great balance of flavors. Number four, it'd be hard-boiled eggs. These are super easy to prepare in advance and make a fantastic snack packed with protein. For a pretty twist, enjoy them alongside some sliced oranges or a handful of grapes, salami and cheese. The next up is salami and cheese. This combo requires no cooking, just slice and serve. Choose your favorite salami paired with hard processed cheese and throw in some apple slices for a refreshing crunch. Number six is epic beef and beef liver bites. These nutrient-dense bites are perfect for when you need a quick protein boost. Pair them with some fresh pear slices to complement the rich flavor of the liver. At number seven, we have bacon wrapped dates. Simply wrap pitted dates in bacon and bake until crispy. These sweet and savory snack is sure to impress. The sweetness of the dates pairs beautifully with all the salty bacon. Coming in at number 8 are deli meat roll-ups. Take your favorite deli meats, spread some cream cheese on them and a slice of fruit like cucumber or even apple. Roll them up and enjoy. This is a quick snack that's both filling and refreshing. Number 9 is pemmican, a traditional snack made from dried meat mixed with fat and sometimes fruit like berries. Is extremely nutrient dense and perfect for outdoor adventures or busy days. Finally, at number 10, we suggest creating a fruit and cheese board. Combine various cheeses with seasonal fruits like figs, grapes, or apples for an easy to go, assemble the snack perfectly for sharing or enjoyably alone. And there you have it for our top 10 quick and easy animal-based snacks featuring meat and fruit. These snacks are perfect for busy lifestyles while keeping your diet just deliciously satisfying. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and be sure and comment if you have questions. Don't forget to register for my free 90-day detox challenge at BeLikeChrist.net.